In order to remove your cutting block on the 300 and 500C machines, first screw you want to remove is your screw which holds your particle strap and the washer. Next, you want to remove your secured cable ties from around the machine. So you have one here. You have two here. And you have number 3 right here. Plus, once you've done so, you're going to want to cut this wire here. Actually, the cable tie. So you release it there. You also want to release this one here. Now locate your tachometer. And what you're going to want to do also is cut the cable tie on the tachometer carefully. Now you're able to unplug it and get it out the way. You pull your motor wires out from the electrical enclosure. Get your motor wires out the way. Now you also want to remove your ground wire on your right side bearing plate. You could just put the screw back in, keep it in place. You also want to remove your disconnect / power receptacle cover here by locating the 2 screws. One's over here on the left top side and the other one's towards the mid right side of it. Get this out the way. Now, using some kind of hook, in this case we have a dental pick hook, you want to come to the left side of your machine and you want to locate this small little black belt which drives your particle distributor. And what we're going to do is we're going to unhook it from this pulley. So taking the hook, you kind of just want to grab it and pull it around and get it out your way here. So you push it, and once it's off, it's not going to hold the cutting block back. Now, taking a long neck screwdriver, approximately a 10-inch long neck, Phillips number 2, we're going to locate the 4 screws that secure the cutting head to the cabinet. So you have 1 screw here, 1 screw here, you have 1 screw in this enclosure, and finally you have your screw towards the back right hand side. So let's go ahead and start. Now, to remove this screw is always a good idea to have a flashlight in order for you to get into it. So now we unsecured the cutting head from the cabinet assembly. Now all we have to do is grab it and pull it off the cabinet there. So in order to do so, you want to make sure all your wires are out the way. And you can just grab your cutting head from the side bearing plates, lift up on it, and remove from the cabinet.